Hello people on YouTube, this is Naruto Powerman. And as you can see, I'm doing target practice on this tree. After school today, a lot of the students did a snowball fight. You heard me, a snowball fight. Oh dang, I missed. And I mostly hit one of my friends' face all over around with a snowball. But he always carries very big snowballs, but he doesn't hit me with it. He just hits with other girls or other guys. Hold on. I'm just recording this to show you that it is snowing here in Texas again. If any of you saw snowing in my snowing in Texas video. Hi. Oh, by the way, look. Most of my plants are covered in snow. Yay! And as you can see, hi. Oh, I'll make another video of this. So see you there.